Hello, everybody. So, guys, in this class, we're just talking about the very important thing called the front end development and the back end development. We just need both of them. We just need to know both of them exactly in a course. In this course, we're talking about the big course, the big massive course of the complete web development course. We're just talking about both of the things. Okay, the first one is the front end development and the second one is the back end development. So the difference between them is actually the front end development is actually the way where we just talk about, where we just work about what the client watches. For example, go to the website. I'm just opening the website tipdesk.com. It's one of my project. You can see that in this project, if I just talk about, if I'm just a front-end developer, just suppose I'm a front-end developer, so what I'm just focusing in this website, that wow, this Gmail link, this Twitter and this Facebook link is actually placed in a perfect place. Wow, what the color should be orange. Okay, the logo is placed on a perfect place. It actually has around the you can see that more than 50 pixels margin from the left. And wow, this is a complete header. And also you can see that the complete header has the same space as from there, from the left and from the right. Wow, this is actually depends on the front end developer. The back end developer doesn't know about these things. Front end developer knows that wow, the website header is actually perfectly placed here. These two videos has the same space from the right and from the left, perfect. And the box sizing is actually exactly perfect. Now you can see that there you can see that the newest text which is actually perfectly placed and has the perfect difference and the perfect margin from the bottom and the top. Okay, and then you can see that this image is actually placed in a perfect place. You can see that it's not crossing the limit, it is not cutting, it's actually completely placed. And just see the text after this image and see the space or the margin between the image and the text. So all these things are actually called the front end. Now what is the back end called? Whenever anyone opens the website, what should be displayed? The front page or I mean say the home page or any other page. Secondly, how the search engine will work, how the when anyone clicks on the upload video, then what it will do, what this button will do, and how it will functionalize. Okay, now how this image is about to be changed. When I just click here, now you can see that it's changing in a fading style. And in the same way, when anyone clicks on the video, then what should happen? It should redirect it to a new page. As you can see that it has been redirected. Now here the front-end developer watches that how it's looking, and the back-end developer watches that what it's actually what program is running here, and how the image should be, the video should be buffered, how long should buffered, and how it shows, and how the player this player should work, and which content should be shown here. Okay, the front-end developer only decides the size, only decides the way, only decides that how big the image size should be. The back-end developer focuses on what content should be shown there, on which basis. Okay, now for example, this thing, you can see that the front-end developer designed its orange color, that it should look like orange, and the sizes of these stars, the rating system, the sizes, and other things like you can see that it's round in corners from the left side, and from the right side it's square based. But the backend developer actually sees or works on the views counting, that it's 210. Okay, so it just this value brought up by the backend developer. Okay, now you can see that all these things, I think you just understood all about the backend and the front end developer. You can see that this area, its size designed by the front-end developer, and how it will work when anyone submits any coding, any comments, then how the post button will work, it depends on the backend developer. Okay, now I just need to log in, and I'm not gonna log in into this website. I just want to show you the thing, exactly the login, the view. You can see that it's the both things, the text areas, the actually, you know, the inputs, and this button is actually in the center of this the complete screen. But how it will work when anyone clicks on its login button, so it depends on the backend development. So I think you just understood all about the backend and the front end development. So we will talk about some more things in the next class. and we will just continue this topic by adding some more topics, and you will be getting more experience in working in it. About what we're talking, the front end development and the back end development, we will be talking about both things. If I just show you the course content for now, the udemy.com, you can see that a lot of things here, like the setting up the web host, and then you can see that the learning HTML and CSS CDC. So we'll talk about these things later on, so stay tuned and goodbye.